Are you ready? It is time for a new creativity challenge. Hello wonderful people, it's Genevieve, and my goal here on this channel is to teach you all about illustration and a little bit of design too. Now, one fun thing we do here in this community is we have monthly challenges where you get a prompt and a theme and you have to create illustration based on those. Now, this month is January, it is the new year, and so we're going to steal a page from Pantone's book and we're going to create a color of the year type illustration. So the first thing to do is to get your color code by following the steps on the screen. That's going to give you a number that you can then convert to a Pantone color, either by checking the link in the video description or by using a Pantone color chart if you do happen to have one of those. Then once you have your color, the next step is to give it a name, whether it is something silly, something super simple, whatever inspires you is totally okay. And finally, once you have your color and you have the name, you're going to create an illustration based on both of them. And the illustration can really be whatever you want. It can be a monochromatic illustration, it can be not a monochromatic illustration. As long as it is pretty clear which color is your color of the year, then again, whatever inspires you is totally okay. I would love to see what you create, so make sure to share the results with me on socials. But enough talking from me, the challenge is now in your hands. I'll see you soon!